Hi friends, once again dosto, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us quickly see how to apply and get birth certificate in Odisha urban areas. Okay, we will publish another video for rural areas after some time. So let us quickly see what are the things has to be done. What you can do is just open a Google search page. You can do from mobile also, laptop also, PC also. Just search for Odisha 1. This is the latest website and it started working from yesterday only. 2 days back might be. So if you click on odisha1.gov.in, automatically it goes to citizen. I have already created another video to sign up. If you have not done sign up, please click the above link and watch how to sign up. So this is just signing in because I have already created my credentials. So I'm entering username and password here, and then I have to enter the captcha of 7 plus 6, how much it is. So let me enter all those things details, and I click on login button. Okay, so when you click on login, automatically it is going to log into Odisha One website here, and you can already see here, if you have logged into other device, it will ask you to disconnect all the other device. Click on yes. If you have not logged in, this message will not come. So now we have logged in already. You can see here we are into services page, and what we are going to do is getting a birth certificate online. So friends, for that what you can to do is just search for birth. Okay, so as you can see here, there are other tabs also. You don't need to enter anything, only enter the birth in the search. Do not select the departments. You don't need to select this. Okay, don't select department, don't select group, because we might not know what is the department and group. Forget it. Just give service name as birth certificate. Click on search here. So when you click on search, it is very fast. As you can see, it is loaded, and please see here there are 4 entries. What is this? One by one let us see. Issue of birth certificate in case of rural. Okay, this is not yet started working. They are integrating. I will update another video for this, but in this video we are going to see urban birth certificate. So click on this issues of birth certificate for urban. Okay, that means city and town areas. Birth certificate, how to get it. This is first video we are going to see now what you are watching, and in next video I will surely cover this one. Once they have enabled this service, I will make another video of how to get your rural birth certificate. So please subscribe to our channel. And after this, let us now select this urban birth certificate option. Okay, let us select this. Just click there, it comes automatically. And there is another thing, transaction history, to see previous one, but in this case we are going first time. Click on apply birth certificate. So when you click on apply birth certificate, another page comes. Friends, you have to enter all three details, mainly your district where you are looking for, or the birth had registered. It should have registered already, otherwise you will not get it. Select the district where the birth was registered. Okay, let us see example I am giving. Okay, here there are a lot of options, but I give Balangir, and after that I select the sub district, you can say. Okay, ULB. Okay, district and ULB I am selecting. After that you have to enter registration number like this. This is the example. You should have registration number like this. It is your registration bar year. Okay, example it is, it's not the correct one. You should know your registration number. Okay, number and year you have to give in slash. I enter my personal and I click on proceed button. And as you can see here, if the search is success, or if the birth was registered properly, if you scroll down, there will be a search result. You will be success. See, in this case I have got that birth details, registration number column, date of registration, date of birth, everything. You can scroll down and see here sex, place of birth, and family details. Mother's name, father's name will be there, but make sure you know the registration number, friends. There is no other option as of now. So let us see, scroll down, and where the birth had occurred, hospital, address, and the date of birth, male or female, name of the kid also there. You can see here, if you scroll down again, applicant details are there. In that, child name is already taken from the database. You cannot change it. Okay, please remember, you can't add child's name here. Only you can apply for the existing birth certificate. Now who is applying for birth certificate? Father. If the father is applying for child's birth certificate, select for father. Otherwise please select mother if mother is applying. If say someone else is applying, select other. For example, it's possible uncle is applying, you can give it as uncle. No issues in that. And you have to give applicant name. Who is applying? Your name should be here. Okay, your name, Mr. First name, second name, if last name is there, please enter that also, friends. And after that, give your email address. And okay, here you cannot change it because this email address and mobile number is taken while registering the birth. So if you wanted to add this, you have to go to office and do. You cannot edit it here, but bottom there is a place where I will show you. If you scroll down, you can see document details. What is the identity proof you are going to upload, and your mobile number also has to be given. For example, you can upload PAN card, Aadhaar card, lot of options are there in the list. Please select whatever you are having accordingly. Oh, I'm sorry for this, friends. Okay, now we are back here. And PAN card, you can see here mobile number you have to give here, because all the SMS when it is ready, download to ready, all this comes in your mobile number. This is the mobile number of applicant. You are applying, your mobile number should be there, not the mobile number of parents. And enter your identity card number here. For example, PAN card you are entering, enter your PAN card number. If it is Aadhaar, enter your Aadhaar number here. And after that, you can see here, okay, something bad I did. I'll correct the PAN card. If it is a wrong number, it will automatically detect. See here, when I entered correct number, it has taken. Now you have to upload the document. What you have to upload? Two things you have to upload: scanned copy of your ID proof in case PAN card, and discharge certificate. That means if the birth has occurred in hospital, there will be a discharge certificate. Please scan those both things in a 1 MB size. PAN plus discharge copy in one document you have to scan. It should not be two documents, and it should be size maximum 1 MB both together. And then you can upload, click on choose file, and you can take the document directly from your device itself, or you can take from camera. While taking from camera, make sure it should not exceed 1 MB, otherwise there will be some error. And after that, I am entering the details of the document. Okay, let me enter something related to the document. And after that, once that is done, okay, discharge summary, PAN plus discharge, you can give like this, because I was entering PAN and discharge, no problem in that. Enter that, and after that click on proceed button. Okay, I click on proceed and wait for some time. You can see here application details have come up once more. Okay, registration number and applicant name, who is applying, and child's name, mother's name, date of birth, all the details of birth certificate and applicant will be there. So how much is the charge? It is just 7 rupees only online. Okay, you can pay it also online. I will show you how that can be done. And you can click on proceed button. So total amount you are going to pay is just 7 rupees, friends. And after that, please scroll down, friends, and you have two options: CC Avenue and Paytm. Paytm has direct option, or CC Avenue, if you wanted to you do UPI net banking, please select CC Avenue. I'm just selecting CC Avenue. Click on proceed, and you can see here 7 rupees. Total amount is 7 rupees. They are not charging anything extra as of now. And net banking is there. Paytm is again, Paytm is there here also. Wallet is there, UPI is there. A lot of options are there. You can if you wanted to pay through Google Pay, etc., please select UPI. If you wanted net banking, select net banking and select your bank here. Okay, I will show you one option, but this is up to you. For example, if I select Paytm, that is also possible. UPI, you can see here a lot of options are there: Bhim, GP, GPay and Paytm. A lot of options are there. Now one more thing I will show you. Suppose I was trying a payment, okay, and say in between it failed. That's हो सकता है. So if payment is failed, you will get a try again message. You scroll down here. In this case, I just wanted to show you payment failed. You have try again. This will go to again search. You can click on continue to continue this and make again payment. So for example, I am just clicking on search and coming back. Now how to get your transaction? Previously you had an application. How to know the transaction details? Okay, so if the I will show you that. Now payment is success. In this case, I have made a successful payment. You will get a receipt like this. Okay, payment receipt like this, and local body and applicant, you can note down your application ID and register. All those things are here. No, so how to check the status of your payment and how to check status of your birth application? For that, after logging in, left on top, click this option, friends. And once you click that option, you have transaction history here. Okay, this is the option you have to select, transaction history. You can search for transaction history, or by default, if there are not many, you can get it scrolling down below. But let us see how to quickly search also. I will show you. What you have to enter is only two things, from and to. That means date between, from date to date when you had applied for the transaction. So let us see, I have applied today 7th March. Again I have applied from to I am selecting 7th March because I have just done it. Okay, I'm not trying in any other day, same day I'm trying, so both are same days. You don't need to give any of these things. Don't worry about all these confusing things. You don't even to give application ID. I don't know, for example. You can just click search. If you know application ID, you can give it, but that is a time waste. You can just search it. Scroll down, you can see by default history is there. So all your applications will be listed here. Also right, if you scroll right, you can get your application ID, and you can know the status. You will also get SMS when the status changes. For example, say I am scrolling right, you can see here your payment status is also shown here. Odishaone application ID is there, payment status clearly, receipt is also there. If you click here, if you click on this icon, you can download your payment receipt. Suppose you did not get it first time, or you missed to download, here you can download it again like this. Okay, thank you so much. We will prepare another video for death certificate in urban area. Also rural areas death and birth certificate will be done shortly when they enable it. Please subscribe to channel. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. I will publish a death certificate video next. Thank you so much.